Namaste Dindaris, this is Y Prasad and team. Today I present my project in front of you. Problem title is Indoor Aquaponics Home Cultivation. Problem statement: with urbanization and limited space for traditional gardening, cultivating fruits and vegetables in homes has become challenging. Existing methods often rely on soil which can be inefficient and require significant maintenance. These projects aim to create a smart aquaponic system that utilizes sensors and automation to facilitate soil-less cultivation, optimizing conditions for plant growth while ensuring ease of use in home environments. Theme of this project: evaluating home gardening through smart technology in aquaponics, enabling efficient cultivation of fruits and vegetables without soil. Required materials: Arduino microcontroller, soil moisture sensor, LDR, LCD display, humidity and temperature sensor, motor driver module, wheels, water pump, tubing and fittings, aquaponics setup, power supply, jumper wires, breadboard or PCB for assembly. Working. Monitoring conditions. The sensor continuously monitor environmental parameters: soil, moisture, light intensity, humidity and temperature. Data display. The LCD screen provides real-time data on conditions like moisture levels, temperature, humidity and light exposure. Irrigation control. When the soil moisture level drops below a set threshold, the Arduino activates the water pumps to irrigate the plants. Light adjustment. The LDR detects the immediate light level if it falls below a certain point. The system can move a brighter location or active additional lighting if needed. Mobility. The system's wheels allow it to navigate to optimal locations for sunlight exposure, ensuring healthy plants growth. The smart soil-less aquaponic system represents an innovative approach to home gardening, alternating advanced technology and simplify the cultivation of fruits and vegetables. This project not only addresses place and resource constraints but also promotes sustainable practices in urban settings. Future enhancements could involve integrating smart technologies for better data analysis and control. Future optimizing plant growth and user experience. Thank you.